Who's sweating and smelling good in here? Big up Panama, I see you. Big up Jamaica, I see you too. Put your hands in the air. Give it. Slow it down for me, I'll leave it. Yeah. All summer, you riding with that person. You're moving every party with that person. You ride or die, your brethren, your sister inside of this party with you. Sometimes you wish you could lead them home, but you know you ain't doing that. That is your bona fide person. If you're in here with somebody like that right now, put your arm around that person for me right now. Good vibes and good energy alone in this party. Everybody embrace your friend. Hug up your friend for me. Hug up your friend for me.
This is not the time to be alone.
Hug up your friend.
This is the time to wind up a bump.
Put your arm around your seat. Everybody say catch up. 1, 2. Yes, sir. Hold on, somebody. Big up Heavy, my family life.